What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zen and I'm a PDR technician. And today we have a big Fender project. Like, what I mean is like a project. No, not just this. You can see it in the back. Not just this, also all this. Let's take a look at the damage. Here's the damage to this fender that's been done. You can see there are not two, but three big wrinkles. This is the biggest one. Then we have two, plus we have the damaged edges all here. Not to mention, this whole edge is bent in really bad. So we're going to be using a lot of heat on this one, I guess. Just trying to make it better. So we applied tension. We put two airbags here to give me some room for pushing, and we used the Fender blowout tool. Now we're going to push with some R4 cherry cap, trying to get this bulk out. But before I push, I'm going to use some heat on it. So I got this bigger dent out of this 1, 2, 3 dents that we have. I got the bigger one about to 90%, and I feel comfortable on moving on to the next two before I'm gonna go back and clean them all up. I want to do that because I want the whole fender back into shape and then go to the cleanup stage. This is the 90% mark. This is where I'm gonna move on to the next two, which we have here. These two are next. So I got this whole area to about 90%. And what I'm struggling with now is like this final part, this getting back into shape. It's low here, it's a bit high here. So that's now the main issue. Maybe you can see it. I'm gonna reverse the camera to show you better, but that's the last part that we need to take care of. We need to sand and polish it. So a little bit more work, and then we're gonna see the final product. The fender is finished, and before I show you a final result, please click the like and the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one.